sa Rue De Lipahan. Ito yung parking area. Kasya siguro dito ang 3 car or 4. And then, this one is the accommodation area. 2 bedrooms. Tapos, may small kitchen dito. This one is, ayan, 1 bedroom. And then, this one is the small kitchen. And this one is the fridge. They have the karaoke, mini karaoke, or may song list. Tapos, this is the toilet. Toilet. Decent toilet. Yan, shower area and then toilet. And then, that's the dining area. And then, akyat tayo. Other room. They don't have the AC. Wala silang AC. Isang wall fan at isang stand fan. And then, we have the other room here. Yan yung gamit na namin. With 2 beds. Ayan. And here, you can have your rush guard. Yung rush guard ko nakasampay na. Ang lamig ng water. Ayan. And then, kalat pa ang some of our things. Kasi si Luffy ay tumakbo agad sa swimming pool. So, this is yung likod area. Ayan. You can pitch your tent there. And then, that's the swimming pool right there. Ayan. Later, pupunta tayo dyan. And I'll bring you to the kitchen. They have toilet here din. Ayan. Another toilet. Decent toilet. They have shower din. And that's me. And ayan. Dito, pwede you can have your breakfast there. Yung area is parang siya, ancestral house. Like, mga house sa province. And you can hear the sound ng mga insects and some of leaves down nung plant. Parang gano'n nagbabangga. So, you can have your breakfast here also. Yan. And here, we have the coffee area. And here is, I think it's another accommodation. Pero sarado siya. Ayan. And kitchen is here. So the kitchen is here. They have another fridge. Dito yata yung mga baon namin. And yan. You can cook your food here. It's like a small dirty kitchen they have. Ayan, gas, stove, and mga pinggan. Pero they advise us na we bring our own. And then I'll show you the swimming pool. Dito, magpipitch kami later or tomorrow ng tent dyan. Yan, sana hindi umulan. And that's the name of the area, Rue De Lipahan. And ayan yung area, the house of the caretaker. And this is the small swimming pool. 5 feet agad yung lalim niya. Ayan yung swimming pool. And right there is Luffy. Ayan. Ano? Nilalamig ka na? Let's go now. Woo! morning again. So, ngayon mag-breakfast na kami. Then, nagluto sila ng breakfast. You can cook here sa kitchen. And then, naririnig nyo ba yung sound? Yan yung aming lalabay kagabi. Ano siya, mga insect siya ng puno. Tapos, nung gabi, pagka namin, sa labas, dami ding insects kanina. So, as you can see, parang siya talaga. Very nature. So, pag nandito kayo, ang maririnig nyo lang na ingay, ayan, yung mga insects. Ang pollution, di ba? Pag may pollution kasi, walang mga insects na ganito. So, very, siya, provincial life ang feeling. Saya. So, we had a good night's sleep kagabi. And ngayon, kami, it's our second day. Hindi ako makakapag-yoga. Kasi, sayang dala ko yung yoga mat ko. Kasi, nagkaroon ako. Pero makakapag-swim ako because I'm using Sinaya cup naman. So, hindi siya sticky or madumi sa swimming pool. So, that's the advantage of using Sinaya cup. And later we will swim. Magka-camp kami and there's a lot of fun. So, we're excited para sa anak namin. So, see ya later! Water.